Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So today I want to discuss the remaining problem of the percentage. Okay, so before going to start, little bit information for you that we are getting only few students work. Why? What is the reason? I told you, if any problem you can ask to the teachers. Clear? You are getting videos as well as homework you are getting, so that work you should finish it and submit to the teachers, and if any problem you should inform to the teachers. Clear or not? But if only few students are sending their work, few students are not sending their work, why? What is the reason? What is the reason? Say. So this is very bad. Those who are not sending their work, for them we are requesting that please do your work properly and send to the teachers. Clear? Every day your work should be finished. Since you are student or not, you are student, so you should do the work. Clear? You are getting time, you should utilize the time properly. Clear or not? You should not waste the time. That morning time, evening time you are getting, basically afternoon also you can do it, no problem. That one sufficient time is getting, so you should utilize the time properly. Clear or not? Clear? So that's all. Now let's start. At first you should get ready also with your copies. Clear? You should practice it, because all problems are easy problems are here, so that's why you should practice it. Another thing is that you should read the question, because answer already given in the question, so that's why you should read the question thoroughly. Clear? Okay, now see question number 7. Already finished that our up to question number 6. No, last day already discussed. So from today onwards, that we will start from question number 7. Now see, question number 7 is telling that convert the following ratios into percentage. Convert the following ratios into percentage. Very easy. Very easy or not? Very easy. Here ratios given, we convert into percentage, and we know that how we convert that one. Multiply by 100 only. Clear or not? So see, so 55 is to at first given 45. This is the question, given question. So now we convert into what? Convert into fraction. Clear? Therefore percentage is that in the question telling what? Percentage. We convert into percentage. Therefore percentage will be what? Percentage equal to 55 divided by 45 into 100%. Clear? Next cancel. 5 9 ja, here 5 11 ja. Okay. After that here no cancel not possible here. That means we are getting what? 11 into 100 1100. Clear? 11 into 100 1100, and here 9, so 1100 by 9. Clear or not? So now see, this is what fraction? Improper fraction. We convert into mixed fraction. How we convert this one? So we divide this one, 1100 by 9. What we get? 9 1 is 9. Normal the division, you know that you can do it also. 9 1 is 9, 2 20, 9 2 is 18, again 2 0 20, 9 2 is 18. Clear or not? A remainder what? 2. So after that not possible, because all finished, all digits already finished now, so that's why not possible. That means remainder 2. So that means we are getting what? 122. In numerator here 2, here 9, so 122 2 by 9%. Clear? Clear everyone? This is normal division, and you know that you can do also. Understood? Now question number 2. Question number 2, read the question everyone. Pens to a pencil in a pencil box equal to 6:4. Pens and pencils ratios given, we find out the percentage. Normal thing only. How find out this one? So 6:4 given, no? 6:4. 6:4 means we can write what? 6 by 4. 6 by 4 into 100. Clear or not? 6 by 4 into 100. So here this one will be cancelled. 4 25 ja, 4 into 25 100. So that's why, that means we are getting what? 25 and 6. If we multiply 25 and 6, what will get? We get 150, because 25 6 ja, 25 6 ja, 150. So that means we are getting 150%. Clear? Clear everyone? Okay, now question number 3, I am doing that 1 2 3, the remaining 4 5 6, that one you will try and you will do it. Okay, and even in doubt you should inform me. Clear? Number 3, see, number 3 is telling that notebook to textbooks in a bag. Notebooks and textbooks ratios given, we find out what? Percentage. So here 12 and there 10, because 12 is to 10 means what? We can write 12 by 10. After that multiplication 100 multiplied by 100%. Clear? Now cancel it, 10 and 100 cancel it, only 10, 10 10 is 100. That means we are getting what? 12 into 10, 120%. Very easy. Clear or not everyone? Clear? Understood? So first 3 problems I did, the last 3 problems you will try. Means you can do it also, very easy, only multiplying by 100. No, after the calculation, little bit cancellation is there, so that's why you will do. Clear? Okay, now question number 8. Question number 8 is telling that, read the question everyone, convert the following percentage into ratios. Percentage given. Question number 7, what? Question number 7 was there, ratios given, we convert into percentage. But question number 8 is telling here, percentage given, we convert into ratios. So see how we find out that one, that ratios. At first what? 20% given. How much? 20% given. First question. So I am writing here 20%. What is the meaning of 20%? 20% meaning what? We know that 20 by 100 or not? 20 by 100. After this one clear? Everyone clear? Now see, we can cancel it here, 1 0 in numerator, 1 0 and denominator 1 0, cancel it. 2 1 is 2 and 2 5 is 10. That means 1 by 5. That means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means we can write what? 1 is to 5 or not? 1 by 5 means we can write 1 is to 5. Understood? Clear? Okay. Easy or hard? Very hard? No, very easy. And you can do it also. And this type of problem before also you did. So many problems you did. But little concept is there in your syllabus, so that's why we are doing. Otherwise already you have learned in previous year also. Clear? Okay. Now next question, see, 35%. 35% means we can write what? 35 by 100. 35 by 100. Understood? After that cancel it. Here 5 7 ja and here 5 20 ja. So we are getting what? 7 and here 20. That means 7 by 20. After that here no cancel, not possible now. So that means we are getting 7 by 20, and 7 by 20 means 7 is to 20. Clear? Clear? Okay, 3 you will try. 3, question number 3 will try. I am doing only question number 4. Okay, question number 4 I am doing. Question number 4 is telling what? 88%. 88%. So this one also very easy. How to do this one? 88% means what? We can write what? 88 by 100 or not? 88 by 100. Now cancel it. This one divisible by 4 and 100 also divisible by 4. So if we divide by 4, we will get here 25, because 25 4 is 100. And if we divide 4 means 88 by 4, so what will get here? 4 2 is 8, here 4 2 is 8. Clear or not? Clear? That means 22 by 25 we are getting. Clear? That means 22 by 25 we are getting. Clear? After that no cancellation is possible here. 22 or here 25, no, because this one divisible by 2, 22, but here 25 not divisible by 2. 22 is divisible by 11, but 25 is not divisible by 11. Clear? So that's why not possible. So that's why here answer will be what? 22 is to 25. Clear? 22 is to 25. Understood everyone? Okay. So and third problem you will do it. Okay. If any problem you inform me, calculation or something is possible, suppose any problem you should inform. Clear? Okay. Now next problem, very very important problem is there. 9 10 word problems given, and we will do it also. Okay, we will explain. So question number 9c, the word problem given. Read the question everyone and try to find out what is the meaning of the question. Question number 9. Everyone try. The ratios of the pink, red and white flowers picked by Shruti is 2:3:4. Find the percentage of each type of colored flowers. So what is the meaning of the question? The question number 9 is telling the ratio of the pink, red and white flowers picked by Shruti is 2:3:4. Find the percentage of each type of colored flowers. কিসে কিসে রেশিও দেওয়া আছে? পিঙ্ক ফ্লাওয়ার্স, রেড ফ্লাওয়ার্স অ্যান্ড হোয়াইট ফ্লাওয়ার্সের কী দেওয়া আছে? রেশিও দেওয়া আছে, যেগুলো কী করেছিল? শ্রুতি তুলেছিল। শ্রুতি 3 রকমের ফুল তুলেছে, 3 কালারের ফুল তুলেছে, পিক আপ করে পিক করেছে, পিক আপ করেছে। তো কী কী? একটা হচ্ছে পিঙ্ক কালার, রেড কালার, একটা হচ্ছে হোয়াইট কালার। ক্লিয়ার? নাও উই ফাইন্ড আউট হোয়াট? ফাইন্ড দ্য পার্সেন্টেজ অফ ইচ টাইপ অফ কালার ফ্লাওয়ার্স। ইচ টাইপ অফ মানে প্রত্যেকটা যে বিভিন্ন রকম 3টে টাইপের তো ফুল করেছিল, তুলেছিল। তো সেক্ষেত্রে 3টে টাইপের হচ্ছে যে পার্সেন্টেজগুলো আমাকে আলাদা করে বার করতে হবে। ফাইন্ড দ্য পার্সেন্টেজ অফ ইচ টাইপ, প্রত্যেকটা টাইপের আমাদের কী করতে হবে? পার্সেন্টেজ আমাদের বার করতে হবে। বিফোর উই ডিড অনলি ওয়ান টাইপ, নো অনলি পার্সেন্টেজ, বাট হিয়ার এভরি টাইপ মিনস দ্যাট ইন কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 7 was there the two ratios given, two ratios means ratios given, only percentage they are told, but here is telling what? Every things we will find out the percentage. Clear? Every type, everything percentage we find out. Clear? Okay, so now how to do this one? Question clear everyone? Okay, so that's why I am writing here the ratios of, try to understand everyone, the ratio of pink, red and white flowers, okay, equal to 2:3:4. The ratios of pink, red and white flowers equal to 2:3:4. Up to this one understood everyone? Clear? Okay, now what to do? Now we find out that how many pink flowers are there, that one we find out. Okay, how many pink flowers, how many red flowers and how many white flowers are there, that one we find out. Okay, and before that one we find out what total number of flowers, how many total number of flowers. Total number of flowers equal to total numbers of flower, or total number of flowers also we can write number of flowers equal to what? We will do addition only of all digits. Ratios, how many digits are there here? 3 digits given, no? So we will do the addition of all digits. 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is the total number of flowers. Concept clear? That is the total number of flowers. That means we are getting what? 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, total 9 flowers are there. Total 9 flowers are there. Okay, now we find out the what? The pink flowers, how many pink flowers are there? Total 9 flowers. সে 9টা ফ্লাওয়ার্স তুলেছিল মোট, তার মধ্যে কি বলেছে যে পিঙ্ক ফ্লাওয়ার কটা, রেড ফ্লাওয়ার কটা অ্যান্ড হোয়াইট ফ্লাওয়ার কতগুলো, সেগুলো আমরা বার করব। ক্লিয়ার? দেয়ারফর number of pink flowers, now number of pink flowers equal to number of pink flowers equal to what? Equal to denominator 9 and numerator what? See, first what? First 2 is to given, no? First this one for what? Pink flowers. For pink flowers here 2, for red flowers 3 and white flowers 4. Clear? So we are finding what? Number of pink flowers, that means in numerator 2 will come. Clear or not? Clear? Number of pink flowers 2/9. Understood everyone? Okay, now we find out number of red flowers. Number of red flowers, same process, denominator 9, because 9 what? Total number, and here numerator what will come? For red 3 will come. Understood? Clear or not? Clear everyone? Okay, and number of white flowers equal to 9 by here means in denominator 9 and numerator 4 will come, because for white given in the ratio 4, for red 3 and pink 2, 2:3:4. Okay, up to this one understood everyone? That means what is the meaning of this one? That means pink flowers, এই যে পিঙ্ক ফ্লাওয়ারগুলো তুলেছিল, যে 9টা ফ্লাওয়ারের মধ্যে পিঙ্ক ফ্লাওয়ার কটা? দুটো। ওকে, রেড ফ্লাওয়ার কতগুলো তুলেছিল? 9টার মধ্যে 3টে তারা সে কী ছিল? রেড ফ্লাওয়ার ছিল। আর 9টার মধ্যে 4টে হচ্ছে যে হোয়াইট ফ্লাওয়ার ছিল। ক্লিয়ার এভরিওয়ান? আন্ডারস্টুড? ওকে, সো নাও উই পার্সেন্টেজ দ্যাট অফ ইচ টাইপ অফ ফ্লাওয়ার্স। প্রত্যেকটা টাইপের এবার ফ্লাওয়ারের আমরা কী বার করবো? আমরা নাম্বার পেয়ে গেলাম, এবার কী বার করবো আমরা? পার্সেন্টেজ উই কনভার্ট ইন্টু পার্সেন্টেজে আমরা কনভার্ট করবো। ক্লিয়ার? ওকে, সো সি দেয়ারফোর পার্সেন্টেজ অফ pink flowers equal to how many was there? 2/9 into 100 or not? 2/9 into 100. Clear? Because pink flowers what was there? 2/9, so that's why 2/9 into 100, because we are converting into percentage, so that's why. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so that means here cancel possible. Now see, any cancel possibility is there or not? Any possibility is there? No, that cancel not possible. So that means we will do multiplication. That means we are getting what? 2 into 100, 200/9, 200/9%. Okay, 200/9%. So 200 divided by 9, what we get? 9 2 ja 18, 2 20. Here also 9 2 ja 18, 2. Okay, clear? After that, now any division possible? No, not possible. That means we are getting 22 in numerator 2, denominator 9%. This is the percentage of the pink flowers. Understood everyone? Clear? Now we find out the percentage of red flowers. Percentage of red flowers. How to do? Percentage of red flowers, see, 3/9 was there, no? 3/9 was there, so we are writing here 3/9, and after that multiply by 100. Clear or not? Clear everyone? Okay, now any cancel is here possible? Is possibility here there or not? Check it once. Possibility is there? Yes, there, because 3 and 9 will be cancelled, no? 3 1 ja 3, and here 3 3 ja 9. Okay, and after that no cancel. That means we will multiply 1 into 100. 1 into 100 means 100, and denominator 3. That means 100/3%. Clear? That is the percentage of red flowers. Okay, so now this one what fraction? Improper fraction. We convert into mixed fraction, no? We convert into mixed fraction, so we divide it. We should divide. Clear or not? We will divide. So 3 3 ja 9, 1 10, again 3 3 ja 9, 1. That means we are getting what? That means we are getting 33. In numerator 1 will come and denominator 3. 33 1/3%. That is the percentage of red flowers. Clear everyone? Clear? Okay, now we find out the percentage of white flowers. Same process. Percentage of white flowers equal to how many white flowers are there? I think 4 there. Just I am checking there. 4/9 I think. So yes, 4/9. So 4/9 into 100%. Okay, 4/9 into 100%. Clear? So here any cancel is possible? Cancel possibility is there? No, not possibility. See 4 and 9 not possible, 9 and 100 also not possible. That's why what to do, we will do multiplication. 4 into 100, 400, and denominator 9%. Okay, 400 by 9%. And this is what fraction? Improper fraction. Clear or not? We convert into mixed fraction, means we will do division by 9. Clear or not? Clear? Now see, do division. 9 4 ja 36, 4 40, again 9 4 ja 36, 9 4 ja 36, 4. That means we are getting what? That means we are getting 44, here 4, and denominator 9. Numerator 4, denominator 9. 44, 4 by 9%. That is the answer. Clear? So according to the question, we are getting what? Percentage of red flowers 33, 1 by 3%. At first what? Pink flowers. At first pink flowers 22, 2 by 9%. Percentage of red flowers 33, 1 by 3%. And percentage of white flowers 44, 4 by 9%. Clear? These are the percentage of the each flowers. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, I have understood everyone. Okay, now what to do? Now I hope you understood. Now we will do the question number 10. Okay, question number 9, everyone clear? I have understood, and very easy. Little bit calculation is there, but you should do it. Okay, you should practice it, otherwise you will forget, you cannot solve it. Clear everyone? Okay, now question number 10. Question number 10, everyone read the question. Question number 10 is telling what is the meaning of the question number 10. What is the meaning of question number 10? Okay, question number 10 is a certain amount of money was divided among Rahul, Priya and Raju. Okay, they got 25%, 35% and 40%, okay, of the amount respectively. Find the ratio of their shares. Okay, so question number 10 is telling what? A certain amount of money was divided among Rahul, Priya and Raju. তিনজন মধ্যে কি করছে, একটা অ্যামাউন্ট অফ মানি কি করা হয়েছিল, ভাগ করে দেওয়া হয়েছিল। একটা সার্টেন অ্যামাউন্ট কি করা হয়েছিল অফ মানি ওয়াজ ডিভাইডেড। ক্লিয়ার? ক্লিয়ার অর নট? was divided among Rahul, Priya and Raju. So they got 25%, 35% and 40% of the amount respectively. Find the ratio of their shares. তাদের এবার শেয়ারটা আমরা কি বার করব? রেশিও বার করব। তাদের যারা যে পরিমাণ পেয়েছে সেই টাকাটা কি বার করব আমরা? রেশিও বার করব। কি দেওয়া আছে আমাদের? পার্সেন্টেজ দেওয়া আছে। প্রত্যেকে এত পার্সেন্ট করে নাম পেয়েছে। ফার্স্ট কে পেয়েছে? যে রাহুল পেয়েছে 25%, প্রিয়া পেয়েছে 35% and রাজু পেয়েছে 40%. ক্লিয়ার? Now we find out the shares of their shares in the ratios. Question clear everyone? Clear? আগেরটা আমাদের কি ছিল? রেশিও দেওয়া ছিল, পার্সেন্টেজ বার করেছিলাম, and here percentage given we convert into ratios. Okay, opposite that opposite question, opposite type of question. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so now at first everyone try it. Okay, after that I will discuss it. That time I am just little bit erasing this one, because here the space is less space, so that's why little bit erasing also needed, so that's why. Okay, you are trying or not everyone? You are trying? You should try it. Okay, you should try it. At first you should try. Clear? Okay, now see. Okay, Rahul, how many percentage? Question number 10, no? Question number 10. For Rahul 25%. Okay, for Rahul 25%. Clear? Next, for Priya got how many? 35%. First 25%, then Priya 35%, and Raju 40%. Clear? This is the question, given question. Rahul 25% got, Priya got 35% and Raju got 40%. Okay, clear? Okay, now we find out what? Now we remove the percentage, because we need what? We need fraction. So that's why, that means Rahul got 25% means what? 25 by 100 or not? 25 by 100, cancel it. 25 1 25, 25 4 100, that means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is coming. Okay, next Priya got 35%. 35% means what? 35 by 100, cancel it. 5 7 ja and 5 20 ja, that means 7 by 20. After that, no cancel, not possible. Okay, clear everyone? Next Raju, third Raju got how many? 40%. 40% means what? 40 by 100, 1 0 1 0 cancel, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, that means 2 by 5. Clear? 2 by 5, clear or not? 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10. Clear? Clear everyone? Okay. Now see, so Rahul, Priya, Raju got how much they got? We already got it. Okay. Okay. So now we find out what? Their ratios. Their ratios we find out. So Rahul got here 1 by 4. Rahul got here 1 by 4, 7 by 20, and here 2 by 5. Okay. Clear or not? See here, denominator are not same. Denominator are same. Denominator are same. No, not same. So that's why what to do? We should convert into the denominator, means we need what? Denominator, same denominator. So for same denominator, how to do? How we find out? Again that LCM, clear? Again LCM, after that their ratios. So that is little bit big will come. Okay, the lengthy process will come. So that's why here no, in this solution we will do little bit calculation, means this one no need, this here cancel no need. Yes, this portion also no need, this portion also no need. How we write? Say, just see, check it. Rahul got how many? 25 means 25 by 100, no? 25 by 100, keep it there, cancel no need, keep it like that. Okay. Next Priya got 35 by 100, keep it, cancel no need. Okay, no cancel. If you cancel it again, that LCM will do, that is big headache, no? Because here we checked, no? Here we checked that something is coming, that different denominators are coming, so that's why problem is there. That means what? We need same denominator. That's why we won't cancel, because denominator 100 everywhere. Denominator 100 is there or not? Yes, 100 is there. Rahul also same condition, 100. Priya also 100, and Raju also. For Raju also, Raju got how many? 40%, means 40 by 100. Now check it, all denominators are same, 100 100 100. Now easy. Clear? Now we find out directly, we can find out the ratios. Clear? And if we do that problem, no, here that solution, again the denominator same, and that is big headache, big problem. Clear? So that's why here we will do the directly. Clear? So therefore that means what? Ratios of Rahul, Priya and Raju's share equal to how many share? First Rahul 25 by 100, 25 I am writing here. Okay, just here equal to, so no need. 25 by 100 is 2. Next Priya 35 by 100 is 2. 40 by Raju 40 by 100. We can write it or not? Ratio of Rahul, Priya and Raju's share. Okay, now easy, very easy. See here all denominators are same, 100 100 100, we will cancel it. That means we are getting what? 25 is to 35 is to 40. Clear? Clear or not everyone? Clear? After this one clear? Now again also we can cancel it. See, 25, 35 and 40 all are divisible by 5. All are divisible by 5, so that's why again we cancel it by 5. So here 5 5 is 25, here 5 7 is, and here 5 8 is. That means we are getting what? That means we are getting 5 is to 7 is to 8. After that here any cancel is possible? No, not possible. That's why this is the answer. That is the ratios of their shares, 5 is to 7 is to 8. Clear? So that is the answer. I hope understood everyone. Okay, try to understand, and if any doubt, any problem, okay, you should inform me, again I will explain it. Clear? But you should practice it. You should practice it everyone. Clear? So that's why take your homework now. Your homework exercise 10.1, I think this one, what? 10.1 all problems. Exercise 10.1 all problems. This is your homework. Exercise 10.1 all problems here. This is your homework and you should do it, and after that you submit the work. Okay, clear everyone? So those who are not doing, please do the work. If any doubt, you should inform to the teachers, they will help you, but you should do it. You should not waste the time. Clear? So this is our request. Clear? So that's all. Take care of yourself. Bye.